Here at BuildRight, we'd like to introduce to you Top Slip for tiles. No? So basically, this is a clear product, and at the same time, it has already some invisible micro aggregates inside. So hindi mo na kailangan kumuha na aggregates and then broadcast. So it's together, you just mix it, and then using a paint pan, and then mix, and then pour it over, and then use a textured roller, and then you can apply. Very, very easy. So it's a DIY product for your shower areas. The product is also good for mga lanay natin, so laundry area natin, sa mga pathway to my tiles. To confirm whether this product is effective or not, we use the slip meter. During the dry testing, sabi ko yung data should be at least 0.6 coefficient of friction. So after the test, we got the data, and the data result was 0.7. Without stop slip tiles, ang data is only 0.35. Ayan. So at least nakita natin na mukhang effective during dry. Now, the biggest challenge is kapag basa na siya. Ayan, kasi nagkakaroon na ng water planing, no? Ang naging result ng stop slip on tiles, no, with water is 0.82. Wow. So that's a very good data. Wherein, kapag tiles without stop slip naman, ang data is only 0.02. So definitely hindi siya papasa kasi according sa ADA, sa slip meter, dapat ay 0.6 kapag dry and at least 0.5 kapag wet.